Yay! Time to study for the So Study project.
Yeah.
More like boo.
Cheer up.
Yeah, at least you don't have to write a 3-page essay.
True.
Why you always carry that camera around?
It's a new one.
Hey guys, look at this picture I found earlier.
It looks so real.
That's real, but not my muscles?
Yep.
But seriously, it looks so weird. What line you supposed to say?
Whoa.
Whoa! We're like, ew! What are we wearing?
Guys, I think we're back in time. Look, it says segregation will end
What do
soon.
you think?
Well, okay, even though I'm freaked out, I say grant of use of free slaves. This was the time that they got freed, and we can make it for our project. We'll make it a newscast. A little risky, but seems smart. Okay, but first, you're gonna have to put that camera away. I mean, you can't scare them.
No.
Please?
Fine.
Okay. Later on, back in the original time. We're back on Daily Lives News, and today we're talking about segregation. But first, I'm gonna give it to this show to see what her opinion is.
Well, I don't think it's fair because they are all equal, no matter what their color is, and I think people still realize that.
Well, I totally agree, and that was a good opinion. Let's go see what information our lovely journalists have found. Okay. I interviewed the one and only Martin Luther King. He taught me that segregation was a time where people were separated by color and could not eat, drink, or buy supplies to take the same spot.
I interviewed slaves around the stores, and they told me that sharecropping was when you borrowed someone's land and share the crops you grow with them.
Well, that was really good information. But that's all for today. We'll see you next time on
Daily Live News.
Bye. Bye. Alright. Later on in their class.
Good job, class. It's like you've been there before.
Looks like we're just good at social studies.
Because we study too.
Too bad Nyla has to go. Wish she could be here.
The end.